Our Digitran automated sewing system is designed for customers printing in die sublimation and grand format printing. This is for customers looking for the all-in-one automated sewing solution. We designed this with the customer in mind for the ease of use and to help eliminate that skilled sewer. With this system, it'll come with a double needle and a single needle system. It automatically front tacks, it automatically back tacks, and it automatically cuts the thread. It specializes in silicone edge graphics. It automatically feeds, it automatically cuts the SEG for precision every single time. It'll hem, it'll do hems with Velcro, it'll sew pockets, flag hemming, and flag binding. This system was designed to help eliminate the heavy material handling of your operator getting up, moving the material back and forth with this synchronized conveyor belt.